Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change layout on your TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your layout on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. After opening your TradingView app, guys, you'll land on this interface where you can see the chart button available for us at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on the chart button, and over here, guys, you can see there is the three dotted icon available for us where I'm tapping. Tap on the three dotted icon over here where it says the Analysis Hub, and on this interface you can see there is the layout setup option available for us over here, which is the first one. Tap on the layout setup, and you can see there are a lot of layout available for us depending upon the trading view, and you can choose any one of these layouts if you have your premium account. And you can see the sync in layout with your, you can also sync in your layout with your symbol, interval, crosshair, time, date, range, and many more, and you can choose from all of these layouts. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change layout on your TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.